ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੈਲਕਮ ਬੈਕ ਟੂ ਮਾਈ ਚੈਨਲ ਨੂਰਵੀ ਕ੍ਰੀਏਸ਼ਨਸ I am Sumit Kaur and I am on the third day of my diet. In today's vlog you will see my third day update, what I eat in a day, how much weight I lost on the day number second. And if you're new here, please watch my first day and second day videos to get the idea what I'm doing. I'm on the third day of the diet and I'm very motivated, very recharged. Let's do some serious weight loss. And yeah, if you like my video, please like, share, comment, and please do subscribe.
Checking my weight. Weight loss is 0.4.
Good morning, people. So, you have seen my weight loss, and now I'm going to have a glass of water. Then we will do some exercise for 15 minutes. Then we will have our morning drink. So, good morning. First morning drink again, moringa water. I think this is playing a great role in my weight loss. Yes, I'm going to have this for 7 days. So I'm going to have it now. It's not tasty, it smells like mehendi, but I think yeah, it's good for weight loss. This is the powder inside and this is the color. It looks like mehendi, it smells like mehendi, but it is not mehendi. Basically they are leaves of moringa. Moringa is a tree. It has a lot of benefits. You can read out all the benefits from here. Morning drink is ready. This is moringa water. If you want to include this in your diet, then please don't drink it empty stomach in the start and take very less quantity. You can take it, you can have it after your breakfast or your lunch or when you are a bit full stomach. Otherwise it can cause minor problems like your tummy may ache or you may face bloating, constipation. So better to have it full stomach in the start, then start having this empty stomach. This is dal mixed with atta. I have added some salt in it for the taste. You can add veggies also. Ready. Breakfast is ready, so I'm going to have my breakfast around 11 or 11:30. Right now I'm going to get ready for the college. Reached way too early at the office, so going to utilize this time in walking. So let's walk. I have given myself a target of 5,000 steps for the first week and I have achieved it very nicely with 7,000 steps a day. So hopefully today I'll achieve 8,000 steps. Let's see.
I walked around 4,000 steps early in the morning because I use my phone to count my steps, not the watch. So I try to take my phone along. So this is the proof that I walked 4,000 steps.
Breakfast time. This is my first meal of the day and time is around 11:30. So I'm going to have this curd, a little bit of curd you can see, and dal ki roti. Bedtime snacks. One cucumber, two apples, one tomato, and if I still feel hungry then I'll have one banana or a pea or both if I feel hungry after that. So this is it. Banana खा लिया, ठीक है, and after that it's time for the lunch and this is the lunch plate. You can see it is around 4:30 and this is my lunch plate. It has a chapati, thode je chawal and white chana. Punjabi dish. Smelling amazing.
That's a good reminder to drink water all day long. For khichdi, we need dal and rice.
We will just mix the two. This is serving for 2 people. Alright. So we will mix the two, wash it thoroughly, then keep it in water for like half an hour. So we are just washing it like this and cleaning dal and rice with my fingers. Change the water 3-4 times till you find it dirty, and then add our water and keep it aside for like half an hour. Now, see, the water seems to be very clear. Little bit of jeera seeds. They produce a cracking sound. Then we will add half teaspoon of salt in it. I am adding this haldi for the color. Covering the lid. Lid it properly. Wait for the first whistle. Then we will keep it sim for like 5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes. After first whistle, we will just sim it. Khichdi is ready to eat.
For the dinner, it's this amount of khichdi with some salad. Adding lemon in it for the taste.
Done with the walk. I don't know how many steps we walked today, but it is not near about 8,000 at all. But I tried to walk. Actually, my phone was not in my hand during the walking, so I hope that I have completed 8,000 steps. Time for night drink. I'll have it, and then we will watch some TV, and then we will sleep. Remember to have lots of water. My water intake for today is like 12 glasses. It was a good energetic day today, so I hope so. I've lost some weight on the day number 3 as well. So let's check in the morning. Good night, everyone. Day 2 weight loss was 0.4 kg. This is the update, and day 3, that is today, we will check the weight in the morning.